Welcome to Display Museum. I am Dr. Pan, the curator of the museum.
Hello, Dr. Pan. I'm Greg. I came here to learn about dot matrix LCD screen.
Hello, Greg.
Dot matrix LCD screen consists of many arrays of dots. Take 128 by 64 dot matrix LCD, for example. There are 128 points horizontally and 64 points vertically, and 8,192 points in total. Dot matrix LCD usually resorts to COG technology to realize it, especially when the dot size is small. Each dot is independently controlled, and it can display complex variable character or pattern. On some level, it is an advanced version of segment LCD. Each dot is a segment. Number 8 is composed of only 7 segments for segment LCD, and it is composed of many segments for dot matrix LCD. If we compare it with segment LCD, the display content is complex and variable, but much more expensive. TFT LCD and OLED are both dot matrix, more stylish and high class, perfect choice for high-end devices. Under normal conditions, people still want monochrome dot matrix LCD screen because the size can be customized and the price is much cheaper.
Thank you, Dr. Pan. Now I got it.
You are welcome to contact us if you have any questions.